Your Peugeot's voice commands can be used on any screen page, provided there are no other priority sources functioning, such as reverse gear, an emergency or assistance call, or a telephone call. To ensure that voice commands are always recognized by the system, we advise that you use natural language and speak in a normal tone of voice, without cutting your words into syllables or raising your voice. For best results, keep the windows and sunroof closed in order to avoid any outside disturbance. To open voice recognition, say "OK, Peugeot." Then, to command the air conditioning, you can say, "Switch on the air conditioning." "OK, Peugeot, it's too hot." To command the radio and medias, you can say, "OK, Peugeot, switch to radio mode." "OK, Peugeot, tune the radio in to 105.9. To command navigation, you can say, "OK, Peugeot, take me home." "OK, Peugeot, take me to Celestine's."
Navigating to Celestine's.
"OK, Peugeot, look for a car park nearby."
Here are some parking lots.
To check on the weather, you can say, "OK, Peugeot, do I need a raincoat?"
No, it doesn't appear to be raining at the moment.
"OK, Peugeot, what's the weather forecast for this evening?"
There will be sunny sky with a temperature of 17 degrees in Aubervilliers today at 5 p.m.
"OK, Peugeot, what's today's humidity ratio?"
The humidity is 87% ratio.
Your Peugeot incorporates artificial intelligence, thanks to ChatGPT, your new travel companion, with whom you can converse naturally. ChatGPT can answer a wide variety of questions, from simple to complex, and even follow a conversation. For example, if you arrive in a city, you can ask it to tell you about the monuments to visit, then tell you their history, and finally, if you wish, guide you to one of them using your car's navigation system. But ChatGPT can do much more than just answer questions. Are your children bored on a long trip? Ask ChatGPT to create a quiz for them on a topic they're passionate about. In just a few seconds, the artificial intelligence will offer you hours of entertainment for those long journeys.